Good day everyone, we are Group 5 and for our performance task in Mathematics in the Modern World, we explored how a simple design can transform into a wallpaper using mathematical symmetry. Today, I'll be starting our presentation by introducing our motif and showing you what happens when it repeats. Before anything else, here's a fun trivia. Did you know what wallpapers are one of the oldest real-life applications of tessellations? Even ancient civilization used repeating patterns for decoration, which technically means they were doing math without knowing it. What is tessellation? A tessellation is a pattern of shapes that completely covers a surface without gaps or overlaps. So let's begin. With our chosen motif, this design might look simple at first: clean lines, angled edges, and a structured geometric shape. But this motif was chosen because it has the potential to change dramatically once repeated. It contains strong angles and symmetrical features that make it perfect for rotation. Now look what happens when this motif is styled across a plane. Suddenly, the design expands. Those sample angles evolve into bigger X shapes, woven pathways, and repeating visual rhythms. It almost looks like the pattern is alive, like every motif connects to the next, creating a continuous flow. This transformation is exactly what makes wallpaper patterns so fascinating. A single tile creates a whole world when repeated.
Now that you've seen the motif in action, let's talk about the mathematics behind the pattern that we used. Our wallpaper belongs to the P4M wallpaper group, which is one of the 17 mathematical wallpaper symmetries. So what makes P4M special? It still uses fourfold rotational symmetry, meaning the motif can be rotated by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees, and it will still align perfectly. But here's the difference. P4M also has mirror lines, meaning you can reflect the pattern across vertical, horizontal, and even diagonal axes, and the design stay consistent. This is why our wallpaper looks very clean, organized, and the reflection gives it balance. Now let's talk about the fundamental region. This is the smallest portion of the motif that, when rotated, can generate the entire wallpaper. Think of it like the core unit or DNA of the pattern. When this region is repeated through rotation and movement, the entire wallpaper is produced. Here's a trivia. The fundamental region of a pattern is often much smaller than what most people think. Sometimes, just 1/8 of a tile can repeat into a full wallpaper. Our P4M pattern has multiple symmetry, tools working together, rotation centers for turning the motif, mirror lines for reflections, translations for repeating in a grid because of the rules. The wallpaper looks balanced, unified, and symmetrical even though it is made from one repeated design.
Now let's break down the effects of using a P4M pattern on our final design. One of the best things about P4M is how it creates unexpected shapes. When the motif rotates and reflects, four tiles come together to form a new figure that looks like a star, a knot, or a woven intersection. These shapes were drawn intentionally. They appear naturally because of mathematical repetition. Choosing a P4M symmetry influenced our design choices from the very beginning. We had to make sure our motif would still look good when flipped and rotated. That meant avoiding shapes that only work in one direction, using angles that connect cleanly, and designing something simple enough to rotate but complex enough to stay interesting. It was a challenge, but it pushed us to be more thoughtful and creative. To ensure mathematical accuracy, we double-checked several things. Translation spacing, making sure the repeats were evenly spaced horizontally and vertically. Rotation alignment, checking the rotating that motif by 90 degrees still aligned perfectly. Mirror alignment, making sure the reflection matched without any distortion. And seamless intersection, ensuring that when tiles meet, there were no breaks, jumps, or gaps. By following these checks, we confirm that our wallpaper truly follows the rules of the P4M symmetry group. Here's a fun trivia. Engineers and architects also check the same things when designing tiles, mosaics, and even building facades.
To wrap things up, let's talk about how mathematics and creativity work together in this project. Some people think rules limit creativity, but this project showed us the opposite. The symmetry rules of P4M didn't restrict our imagination. Instead, they give us a structure to build from. With clear boundaries, we were able to explore shapes, angle, and rotation more confidently. Mathematical rules serve as our structure, while creativity filled in the details. Working with symmetry made our design feel intentional. Every angle had a purpose, every line had a partner, and every rotation created a new surprise. It's amazing how a single motif can turn into a complex, beautiful pattern just by following mathematical transformations. Through this project, we saw how art and math are connected. Pattern aren't just decoration, but they're structured, logical, and beautifully predictable and when guided by mathematics rules. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope we made symmetry more exciting and meaningful today.